one thing that I would say that I didn't do well in my relationship was have empathy for my partner. And I think that's because all of my resources were used to try and stay sober. And I don't think sometimes we get enough credit for how difficult that battle is. But I think because of that, this is the only time I actually will kind of take the word selfish and say that, okay, like there is some credibility to that to a certain extent, but not in a negative way. It's just a necessity almost, that to engage in sobriety and to overcome the emotional hurdles you have to get there, it just takes all of your effort, you know, mentally, physically, and otherwise. And
Right.
so it's hard for me to look at my partner and see his fear and his hurt and all of these things, and then still do the work that I have to do. And so it's
Right.
easy to kind of shut that out and not reflect on it. But then to see it is also very important, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you don't know, nobody knows that, like you didn't know it when you were, or you couldn't fully appreciate it because you, as you said, you had to focus on recovery and you couldn't get involved in, you know, worrying about your partner. You had to really focus on yourself. And maybe there was nobody there who could have told you that's okay, or actually that's a good thing. And also tell your partner she's not going to be able to attend to you in a way now that she probably will be able to do in 3 months or 6 months or a year, and just like hang in there. And this is, yeah, I mean, who would know that? The treatment programs aren't going to tell you that, right?